welcome back to Cargo Van Success. Just delivering this box, or what is it, a bag, to this construction site. It's a huge construction site. Pretty cool. This is the place here. Just delivered in there. As you can see, lots of companies working here. That's where my van is. Big location here. Over there. Nice views of the mountains. So yeah, that's a really interesting delivery here. And now it's off to the next one. Hope you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe. And if you want to comment on how this works or anything, just leave a comment down below. And I will see you next time. It's been a couple months since I last uploaded something. I'm gonna do a new format of how I make videos. So let me know in the comments if you like it or not. And yeah, it's gonna be a little bit shorter usually, and more straight to the point of picking up an order, delivering an order, and well, if in between something happens, then I'll talk about it. But it's gonna be more straight to the point of how a delivery, how a delivery happens. So yeah, hope you enjoy it, and like the video, and subscribe, and hope you follow for more to come.